Hi everyone, here we've got TCL 20 SE and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi, because if you will download something using your mobile data, your developer may charge you. So after making sure that you've got the internet connection, let's enter the Play Store. Now we have to tap on this circle in the right upper corner and tap on Manage Apps and Device. Now let's tap on Manage. And as you can see here, we've got full list of all installed apps and games. And in order to check the updates, you have to tap on this option, Updates Available. And as you can see, right now we do not have 34 apps, but 29. And those which are in this list means that we've got some updates for them. So if you'd like to update, for example, 2 different apps or 3 different apps, you can just mark them, like the Gmail. Mark them, so just tap on this square. Oh my god, sorry. And if you'd like to update more apps, just mark them. And if you're ready, tap on this icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, right now they are pending, and they will be downloaded, and after that it will be successfully installed and automatically updated. So actually that's all. This is how to update apps in your TCL 20 SE. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.